Hello students, Kajal Miss back with you. Today I am going to teach you geometry. Geometry is considered very tough. Please don't think it that way. बहुत easy होता है, सब logic होता है उसके अंदर. What you only have is lines, triangle, square, parallelogram, that is four-sided figure, and circles. That's it. Very simple, no rocket science, and you get full 3 marks on doing each sum in geometry. Okay. Now students, where is the beginning of the geometry? I mean, when you enter into 9th standard, you start getting theorems. What do you call it? Theorems. Now these theorems are nothing but universal facts, but in school you have to prove them. कि क्यों है ऐसा? Okay. So the very first and the most important theorem which I find in everybody's book, whether be IB, ICSE, SSC, CBSE, every board, is vertically opposite angles. By the way, students, please like, share, subscribe to my videos. That would be very much helpful to me. This is A, B, C, D. Like this, the figure will be given to you, and they will tell you to prove that A is congruent to B, or they will tell you to prove that C is congruent to D, or they will tell you to prove both. Okay. Don't worry, don't because it is a new concept, so it may, don't get overwhelmed. It's easy. Okay. Now look at the way I am writing. Okay. There will be something called as given. Now here there are two segments, segment L and segment M. They are both intersecting. Intersects segment M. Students, whenever, wherever you will find intersecting lines, the opposite, vertically opposite angles, आमने सामने, the opposite ones are always congruent. Bear this in your mind. Here you only have to prove it. Okay. To prove, this is the question part I am writing. Okay. Once the question is clear, answer will definitely be A is equal to B, or B is equal to C is equal to D. Okay. Is equal to, or they'll also tell you congruent. Okay. Now students, listen step by step. I'll write here like we write answer na, ANS answer while writing something. In geometry you start like this. Okay. Write proof. A plus C is angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Students, can you see this? Angle A plus angle C are coming in one single line, angle A plus angle C. If there is an angle like this, a straight line, it is called as 180, linear pair. This is called as angles forming linear pair. Okay. Similarly, if I say angle A, this was B, okay, and this was angle A plus angle D is also 180. Students, can you see this? Angle A plus angle D is equal to 180. Clear? Because they are coming in a straight line. These both angles add up to 180. This is also called as angles forming linear pair. That people also call it angles in a straight line. Angles in a straight line always form 180. See that line, that is 180 degree. Okay. Now if this is also 180, this is also 180, can we write that this is equal to this? Therefore angle A plus angle C is equal to angle A plus angle D. Okay, because both are 180. All you have to do is cut AA. Hence prove that angle C is equal to angle D. Finish. Hardly 3 points you have to remember, and you get 3 full marks. And these 3 points are very logical. You don't have to cram it also. Okay. First you have to write A plus C is equal to 180. Here C was there, na? Yeah. A plus C is 180 because it is forming linear pair. A plus D is 180 because it is forming linear pair. Therefore, दोनों सामने सामने लिख दो and cut. That is common. Hence prove that angle C is equal to angle D. Now there is a very beautiful word, my favorite. Similarly. Similarly, when you write similarly, you don't have to write the entire theorem again. Similarly, angle A is also equal to angle B. Hence proved. 4 marks in your pocket. I hope you found this very interesting. I'll go ahead with the second theorem also. One more theorem is there, and which is equally important. I mean, these both theorems are very promising and they appear in the exam. You need to attempt it and get full marks. I am giving you importance. See, this is a triangle, okay? When you add all the angles of a triangle, you get 180 degree. Okay, that is called as angle sum property. Angle sum property means, for example, if it is A, B, C, A plus B plus C will be 180 degree. Now, in the court of law, prove it. बताओ ये कैसे 180 है? Construction. Remember this, construction. Draw a line or draw a segment parallel to base. Okay, this is the base. We have to make a line which is parallel. Okay, वो टेढ़ी है तो ये भी टेढ़ी बनाना, वो सीधी है तो वो भी सीधी बनाना. Okay, now this is A, B, C, right here D and D. Okay, to make it convenient, D E I am writing. Now my dear students, can I say that B is equal to E? See, it is Z forming. दिख रहा है ये ऐसा ऐसा Z forming. The Z forming angles are called as alternate angles, and alternate angles हमेशा congruent होते हैं parallel lines में. Similarly, can I say this is equal to this? That is C is equal to D. Reason both alternate angles. Can I say that ये तीनों मिला के 180 है? That is E plus A plus D is equal to 180. My dear students, just now बताया ना एक लाइन में angles in a straight line. Now listen students, instead of E, can I write B? A would be as it is, and instead of D, can I write C? This is from 1 and 2. Reason from 1 and 2. I hope you understood this. See, this plus this plus this 180, okay? But we just now said that E and B are equal, then we said D and C are equal. Therefore, instead of B, I will write, instead of E, I would write B, and instead of D, I would write C. Hence proved that A plus B plus C is equal to 180. That is sum of angles of triangle. Any triangle will always be 180 degree. आड़ा टेढ़ा कैसा भी ट्राइंगल होगा, राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल, आइसोसेलेस, इक्विलैटरल, स्केलिन, कोई सा भी ट्राइंगल होगा, sum of angles of this will be always 180. I hope you liked my videos. Keep YouTubing, keep learning, keep sharing. That's it for now. We'll see you tomorrow.